So today we're just swapping out a GX55. We had taken this back to the shop for testing and repair because something weird was going on. I installed this one, but we think it's their model because we've done a wipe on their GX55. We put basically a spare in there so they can work, and we took this one back to the shop and wiped it. Checked it all out, nothing. And so we think it's the model, and they just have to update their model, redo the surface on their model. They're not getting their model through us, so we're not sure who actually built their model, but that would be the issue. But yeah, it's a nice big 390F cat. We're just gonna swap out the GX55 and I'll show you. These guys are putting in this big old pipe. Alright, so with this, the reason why I'm making a video about it is because if you ever need to swap your GX55 display with another GX55 display, which we've done in this case, so you're basically taking yours and swapping it with another one, there's a couple things you need to do. And a couple reasons why you would need to do it. For one, if you need to swap out your GX55, this one's the rental. This one's their actual GX55 that belongs to the machine. And yeah, I totally forgot my key. So alright, so I'll explain why you would need to swap out a GX55. Basically, if you're taking it from one machine to another, you would want to upload your machine file onto that new GX55 that you're putting in the system, and upload the model. So there's a few things to basically load into the GX55 that you're going to be using, and you can swap those GX55s around from machine to machine as long as they have the file in them, and I'll show you how to do that. That's a big outfit, be putting in pipe like that. Huge pipe. Of course, they need a big machine to do it. They wanted us to install GPS on this so they can dig and get to grade. And I installed this one probably about 4 months ago or so. Alright, so right now this GX55 has all their information on it, and they've been using this one. It has the current model on it, and it has the machine's measurements, calibration and measurements. So we want to take everything out of here and put it into here, and basically you can take your box, your device, and you can interchange it between machines. You can put it in a dozer, you can put it in an excavator, you can just flop them around as long as the machine file is in there for each machine. And I'll show you how to do that. And pretty much all these newer systems in the last like year or two, they're all switch power, so you're gonna have to have your power on in order to fire up your system. You're gonna need a flash drive. So we'll extract from this box and we'll install in this box. Alright, so first thing, go to device, hard disk, and just save this TopCon folder. Oh, I forgot, it wants to load. Alright, we'll wait for you. Cancel, exit. Alright, so basically just that TopCon folder right there is what we want to save. So copy, and then go back. I'm gonna need my pen for this. Open up your hard disk, your flash drive, and basically just paste it right in there. So now we're going to copy their whole entire TopCon folder. That has the projects, the machine files that they have, all their old projects, current projects, calibration and measurements, everything like that's in that folder. And we can X out. That's just in case we need it if it's not loaded on this one, the whole entire thing. And we'll go into 3DMC. There we go. We don't need it to connect to GPS. It probably won't because they don't have their GPS set up out here. So basically we want to go into File, go into Project, and we want to save the most active project that they're on. They're on 618. So we're going to copy. We're going to go from 3DMC to US disk. And it's that one right there. Okay, so we copied that. That's their project. Now we want to copy the machine file itself. This is their machine file. We want to copy. Again, 3DMC to USB hard disk. And copy. And OK. Now, we want to note what he has on here. So he's got his left indicator. Looks like he's got a couple quick function keys. He's using percent to do a survey feet. So basically just want to make this screen appear on this screen exactly the way you see it. It looks like he's just using one main and he's got the indicator at the bottom. So, alright, we're ready to do that. So basically power down. We saved everything we needed to save. Remove this one and install the next GX55. There we go. We got the other GX55 installed. Power it on. This one's been wiped and reloaded, so it probably doesn't have. Just make sure it has MCX config, TopCon, GX config. No machine configuration file loaded. So we will load it. That one. Project. Alright, so go to USB TopCon folder, you're going to copy that one, go back to hard disk, and you're just going to paste it right there in the hard disk, exit out, load 3DMC. Alright, system's back up, check file, make sure it's on the correct file, check project, correct project, we're green. Is that set up the way you like it?
Yeah, that's
it's got your quick keys and stuff. All right, you're good to go.
Appreciate you.